In this tutorial, I'm going to show you different ways to display a group of pictures. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to upload a stack of pictures. I'm going to show you different ways that you could change the display of pictures on your Final Sway. Click on this arrow and choose a group type. Choose a group type. Here's the stack, which is how it was. You can choose automatic. Let's preview that. Automatic, 1, 2, 3, you could see all of them automatically. You don't have to do anything with it. You can also change the group type and choose grid. If you put them in a grid, let's get an idea of what that would look like. Starts to put them in a smaller version, which looks like a grid. Then you have group type slideshow. If you have them in a slideshow, it'll show one at a time and you'll click the arrows to go to the next slide. You may also have the slide, the current picture bigger and the other pictures to come, a preview underneath it. Let's see what that looks like. And a lot of this is just kind of what purpose you want and playing around a little. So you know that there's this picture and 2 other pictures to view. But no matter which mode you have it in, you can click on it and get it up to full size. Thank you.